Today is the day, friends. Today I'm getting my hair cut. It has been quite a while. It needs a really good shape up. I've been growing it out, obviously. It is definitely time to get it shaped up a little bit. I feel like my layers are a little bit disconnected. I'm not sure if I want to cut off some length to give it a little more volume or if I want to continue to grow it out. Let's go get this hair done. We're here.
Here we are at Bombshell Salon. They have 4 locations, and today I'm visiting the one in Carytown in Richmond, Virginia. They have 3 locations around the Richmond, Virginia area and 1 in Las Vegas. This was my first time visiting this location, and it's so cute. My stylist is Tiz. She is a master curly stylist, and she's German, so she's got the cutest accent.
She is our queen of curls. Woo! A queen needs her fun.
So I am about to be 44 years old, and it took me roughly 35-ish years to embrace my curls, but now I am so happy to have naturally curly hair. I absolutely love it, and you know, I have been on this journey, and thankfully I met Tiz, who knows curls, knows how to cut curls, how to style curls. It's so important as a curly girl to have a good curly specialist. So they have tons of curly stylists, which is amazing. We've got Tiz, who is at their Brandermill location. That's the one that I typically go to. And then in Carytown, where we are today, we have got Ashley. And we also have Miss Caitlin. So today I am having a little hair transformation. I'm gonna get my hair trimmed. We're gonna shape it up. We need to definitely shape up these layers. I'm gonna get my roots touched up, get rid of these grays, honey, because they like to peak real quick. And then I'm gonna get a few highlights, which I'm so excited about. I've not had any highlights in years, so stay tuned. Okay, it is time to get into this cut. Here's a quick 360 of what we were working with beforehand. These are the scissors that my stylist uses. They are special scissors that kind of have a curve to it that kind of carves out the curls. One of the most common questions I get is what kind of curly cut I get. I simply get a dry curly cut. The cut is going to be different for each head of curls depending on what type of result you're looking for. For me, the things that I ask for are a blunt cut so that my ends look thicker than what they really are. I like tons of layers because I like tons of volume, and I prefer a more rounded shape on me. It just suits me better, and I prefer to not do a curly bang on me, so I get the top layer cut in a way that I can wear it off my face and to either side. Here you can see that kind of carving technique that kind of helps layer the hair as she cuts it. Once we finished up the cut, it was time to get the gray roots covered. You guys know I always color my own gray roots, but since I was at the salon, I might as well get it done. Ashley, their director of hair, did my color today, but I was most excited about getting some highlights today. I've been wanting to get this done. It's been years since I've had highlights. We just wanted to create a little dimension. We used 20 volume developer and we didn't process it very long, so my hair's still nice and healthy. And she blended it in a way that when it grows out, I won't have to continue to get highlights if I don't want to. And I can still do my own root touch-ups at home. At this point, I was so beyond excited to see how this was gonna turn out. Now it was time to wash everything out. She cleansed my hair really well and then did a deep conditioning mask because my hair was feeling really dry. There's seriously nothing better than having someone else wash your hair. And then the last step was to tone the hair. After this, we styled and get ready for the results now.
Look at my hair. 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 Look at my hair.
I could not be happier with the results. They exceeded my expectations. Here is the finished result. These two ladies work their magic. Look, I'm obsessed. The shape, the color. Y'all killed it. Y'all killed it. And that is it for me. Another successful curly haircut. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace out and keep those curls popping.